Hey guys, it's Professor NFT here. So before I get started, like always, this is not financial advice, and always, and I do mean always, do your own research. So I got two projects for you guys today. So first one is Lunaroid. So Lunaroid actually is launching on January 20th. Mint price is to be announced, but according to their Discord, they would announce the mint price 24 hours before launch. So this project really caught my eye. First of all, because of the artwork. Just look at it. It's so beautiful and unique. This doesn't look like your copy and paste type of projects. Just look at it. It's something else. So if we go on more down on their website here, they actually give us a look at their artist, which is Yaniv Shahar. So let me go ahead and open you one of his profiles. I actually have one opened already on the tab. So this is some of his artwork. So he's a veteran designer with leading expertise in 3D and art design, and well, etc. His passion lies at the intersection of art and design. So let's go ahead now and look at the roadmap. So the roadmap, first thing I like is that it looks like they want to reward the community for being a holder. So that's what I like seeing about the project. When they give back to the community, it just shows how the team really cares about the project. And then they got the Lunaroids NFT art with utility. Lunaroid community is determined to improve on a daily basis. We'll be developing a fair and effective governance system for all our Lunaroid holders by implementing a proposal and voting mechanism within our Discord server. Moreover, we are planning to list our project on all major Solana NFT marketplaces. We will establish quality partnerships. We currently have many partnerships in the work that will benefit Lunaroid holders and drive more awareness to demand to our projects. So they're also going to expand the team, and of course, they are going to bring about the Lunaverse. So we'll see how they implement their ideas in the metaverse. Let's go ahead and hop on their Discord here. Okay. So we see that total members, they have 19K plus, which is great. And we also got to go to their chat. And we see that there's always constant activity on the chat as well. Supply is a big quantity. It's 8,888. But to be honest with you, it just really depends on what the mint price is. If mint price is really low, I expect this to go parabolic pretty much. If it's high, we'll have to wait and see. Team does look very committed on their Discord, so if you're interested, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description below for their Discord, and go ahead and check it out. So the second NFT that caught my eye was actually DEA Dogs or Dea Dogs. So if you ever heard about Cat Cartel, let me go ahead and pull that up for you here. Cat Cartel. They're actually partnering up with Dea Dogs. We go check out Cat Cartel. Their floor price is 2.78. So it's a solid price. If we go back to the Dea Dogs Discord, its announcement, okay. It states here that many events in which Dea Dogs and Cat Cartel intertwined with other collaborations and metaverse integrations on the way. So this is a cool idea. I'm excited to see what they'll do in the future with the other projects. So there is potential here. There's big potential. I also love the idea of a stealth mint. It gives a fair chance to everyone pretty much. So they could try it and mint here. And their roadmap looks pretty transparent and solid. Let me go ahead and pop that up for you guys. So it gives us some nice details of what's to come. So I'm really excited about this project. I'm gonna go ahead and try to mint one. I'm just gonna be checking out their Discord, see if they haven't launched yet. But that's a great idea they actually came up with, the stealth mint. So if you guys are interested, again, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to the Discord in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. I'm actually real excited for this one as well. I'm actually more excited for this one than Lunaroids. I feel like I like the potential I see here for the first day of launch. But that's all for me today, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and join the Discord I have below. There's already some people inside the Discord, so we go ahead and just share our knowledge on NFTs and give ourselves updates on upcoming NFTs, or actually we talk everything about Solana NFTs. So you guys have a good one. I'm out.